In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app that's located in Samsung folder already on your device and launch it. Then before recording, tap on Allow while using, and then use those three lines on the left. To access this gear at the top right corner. This way you can manage all of those settings however you wish before recording, like quality, and then go back to start recording thanks to that button at the bottom. Hit allow one last time and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same no middle button. To add a bookmark, click on this one at the top on the right. To listen to your recording now, pause it, swipe it on the track, and tap on play button on the left. And to record overlay any part of your recording, pick one here, and use red button to record overlay. Then, to continue recording, just go back to the end and continue like you normally would. Now, to end it and save it, use square button on the right, name it, and hit save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can manage it here by holding it and using those options like rename or delete. You can also tap on it to play it and use those options. You can skip it 5 seconds each way, enable skip silences or disable it, play it on repeat, pick speed, hit allow one to record overlay in recording. Thanks to this icon at the top on the left, you can see all of your bookmarks and manage them, and thanks to this one on the right, you can add them while listening. But my favorite part are those three dots at the top right corner that allow you to manage all of those options, including accessing these scissors. Once you click on them, you can edit your recording. So, pick a part of it, for example, I will go with this one, click on scissors at the bottom and decide if you want to delete selected part or delete everything except selected part. Then hit save at the top right corner and you can even decide if you want to replace original recording with this one or save this one as a new one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!